Hi, I am Sahit Reddy. Today I am going to explain counting sort and its algorithm.
What is counting sort? Counting sort is an algorithm that sorts the element of an array by counting the number of occurrences of each unique element in the array. Counting sort is a non-comparing sorting algorithm. Now, what is a non-comparing sorting algorithm? Non-comparing sorting algorithm is nothing but sorting the data without comparing the elements of an array. It's known as non-comparison sorting. Sorting according to its keys. Now, again, what is the keys? Keys is nothing but the index of an array, counting the elements having the distinct key values. Now, what are we going to do in the counting sort? First, find the count of every distinct element in the array and then calculate the position of each element in the sorted array. Let us take an example and understand it much better. This is an array A of size 8 and the maximum element in it is 6. Now, what is the first step that we have discussed before? Find the count of every distinct element in an array. Now, this is the unsorted array of A. Now I'm taking a count array and now I'm counting the number of distinct elements in an array. Now, what is the number of zeros that is present in the array A? There is no zeros in A, so we write the zero in the zero index. And what is the number of ones? We have 1 and 2. We have written 2. What is the number of twos? We have only 1, 2. What is the count of 3? 1, 2 and 3. What is the count of 4? 2. 1, 2. What is the count of 5? There is no 5. What is the count of 6? There is 1, 6. Now we are going to add consecutive elements of an in an counting array. Now 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here we are going to sort the array by taking each element of the array. Now, in array A, we are taking the last element. It is 3. Now go to the position of the array of the index 3 and subtract the value of the element by -1 in the position array. Now it's 3. We are going to 3 and subtracting the value of the element by -1. And after subtracting that, go to array B and add the element at that value of the index. See, after subtracting it, we got 5, and we added the value of 3 in the index of 5. In the same way, we are going to do for every element in the array. Now in the next element, it is 4. Go to the index 4 and subtract it and add it to the that index, which is 7. Next it is 6. Go to the 6 and then subtract it by -1 and add it to that. And then it is 1. Go to the index 1 in the position array and subtract it by -1 and add it in the array B. Next it's 4. Go to the position 4 and it is 7 and after minusing it by 1 will get 6 and add that 4 in the index 6. Now 3. Go to the index 3 and do -1 and add it in the B. 2. Go to the position index 2 and subtract them a value by -1 and add it in the index of B. And again now it's 3. Go to the index 3 and subtract it by -1 and add it in the array. And finally 1. Go to the element 1 and subtract it by -1 and we'll get 0. We'll add it in the array index of 0. Now we'll discuss about counting sort algorithm and its complexity. The counting sort algorithm basically contains 4 for loops. Here in this algorithm, A is the given array and n is the size of the array and k is the maximum element in the array. B is the sorted array, the final array that we want.
In first for loop, we are going to add the distinct elements in the count array. In second for loop, we are going to prepare the position of the elements by adding the consecutive elements of the counting array. Like 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. This is the main for loop where the sorting will be done. In this for loop, we are going to take last element 3 as a of I. Now where we are going to put this element in B. To put it, first we have to find the proper index in B. For that index, we are going to use count array. In count array, we are going to decrement the value and add the element in the index value of B. And the final for loop is going to copy the content of array B in A. What is the complexity of the counting sort? The complexity of the first for loop is n, and the second is k, and the third is n, and the fourth is n. And the overall complexity will be order of n plus k. Time complexity analysis. Counting sort is called stable sort. Why? A sorting algorithm is stable when the numbers with the same values appear in the output array in the same order as they do in the next input array. The counting array is fast and it is simple to code. And the disadvantages of it is doesn't sort in a place, requires extra storage. Thank you.